Okay, I've been having issues with this prescription arriving being poorly or improperly packed. Finding sometimes that the product is right at the edge with the cooling stuff way over on the side. You can open it up and see right in and see the product or see the prescription. And so it's only being partly protected. It's not being kept down all the way to the proper temperature. All right, the outside of the cooler reads 70 degrees Fahrenheit. And so far this actually looks better than what we've been seeing. Oh, there you go. The product is over way on the side. Nothing, it's 50 degrees. That's above where it should be shipped at. This stuff should be packed in a way so that it's layered with the coldest on the outer layers and the product in between the cooler. See, one says cold, so this is not being packaged properly and it's wedged in there. We'll see how hard that is to get out of there. That's a perfect, see all the cooling stuff's way over here and the product's here. It's dented. The package is dented, so now I have to open it to make sure that the vial hasn't even been crushed. The box was dented. It looks okay, but boy, it was close. It was out of its... They need to, I've called and mentioned this, and they need to do a better job on that.